During February 2010, Vancouver2010.com will be one of the busiest websites in the world. We'll have 60 million unique visitors for billions of page views. It's a different internet ecosystem today than it was even 2 years ago for Beijing, and then before that for Torino. And the experience on the web is becoming increasingly rich and increasingly immersive.
David Marshall at VANOC said, "I need flawless execution, and I want to create some excitement on our website for our users. And I want other organizing committees that come in the future to look at it and go, how are we going to beat that?" JavaFX is part of the Java platform, which means that wherever the Java platform is, JavaFX will work.
You really need to use sort of tried and true technology, and our team had extensive experience using Java, and we knew that with JavaFX we could build on that expertise in the libraries, and we had the same level of confidence in that technology that we did in the core Java technology.
JavaFX lets you break out of the box of very rectilinear, very tabular looking designs and create something that has multiple dimensions to it. So Dan Saltzman was one of the people who really sat down and said, we can create different things. We can create different ways of interacting. And as his ideas and the ideas of the team floated around about how you can interact differently and not in the traditional mechanisms, and use space and use color and use size and use animation to give visual clues to the user about how to interact. All of that led to a new way of interacting.
From a design perspective, we're providing an engaging and interactive way for users to visualize the same old Olympic data through an entirely new set of lenses. We needed an interface that was going to be compelling and not something that users were going to run across on 100 other Olympic websites or 100 other sites that have nothing to do with the Olympics. We wanted to create an experience that was educational but primarily entertaining. As we came up with these new interaction models and these design ideas, we were able to pass those off to the development team to have them implemented from an experience perspective. And so this ability for us to kind of move seamlessly in a flow from creative concepting all the way through implementation was really key for us. We've been introducing change into the application from day one and all the way up to the very end of the design process. The ability to come up with a creative idea on one day and 3 days later to see it implemented in the same way that an end user is going to have access to it is immeasurably valuable to us, because then we can actually bear it out interactively and not have to rely on our perception of what that interaction is going to be like. JavaFX has given us the ability to know that we have the freedom to feel comfortable to introduce change at any stage without unraveling the entire application.
For the design agencies to be able to work with clients in a very tight schedule, to be able to create a unique, compelling experience that's differentiated from anybody else, is a huge advantage on the design process. It's been a fascinating project in that we've been able to work with amazing experts and build this application in a short period of time and really move the bar up one notch as far as interaction and information and passion.
I really think we've created a legacy here, and there's no going back. We're really doing something innovative and something new. Future organizing committees and broadcasters will build upon what we've done and the success that we've had with this project.